In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download eBay financial statements. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to grab the statement you need for your records or bookkeeping. Make sure you're signed into your eBay account and that you have access to Seller Hub since financial statements live in the payments area. Start on the eBay homepage. Move your mouse to the top right area and hover over the My eBay menu. Don't click yet. Just pause over it so the drop-down appears. From that drop-down, select Selling. This takes you into Seller Hub, which is the central dashboard for your account. Once Seller Hub loads, look toward the top navigation and hover over Payments. Again, just hover to open the Payments menu. From that menu, choose Summary. The summary page brings together your recent payouts, balances, and links to statements. So it's the best place to start when you're hunting for downloadable reports. On the summary page, scroll down until you see a section labeled Financial Statements. It may sit a bit below the fold, so keep scrolling past your recent activity until you find the heading. In this section, you'll see a quick snapshot of recent statements along with a link to view more. Click See All to open the full list of available statements. This will take you to the Statements and Transaction Reports area pre-filtered for statements. Here, you'll find entries organized by statement period, typically monthly, along with options to retrieve each one. Locate the statement you need and click Download. Depending on your region and eBay's current format, the file may be provided as a PDF or a CSV. If a prompt appears, select the offered format and confirm. Your browser will save the file to your default downloads folder. If you don't immediately see it, check your browser's recent downloads or your system's downloads folder. For bookkeeping, rename the file with a clear convention, such as the year and month, so it's easy to find later. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If the layout looks slightly different, you're still in the right place. Just look for the Payments area and the Summary option in Seller Hub. When reviewing your statement, verify the statement period and currency and confirm that payouts and fees line up with your own records. That's it. You hovered over My eBay and went to Selling, opened Payments, and selected Summary, scrolled to Financial Statements, chose See All, and downloaded the statement you needed. Save it somewhere secure, share it with your accountant if required, and you're all set.